Okay, today is December 9th in the evening. Cynthia and I just got back from a long day of church and a show, and the lake has risen after 2 days of water, and this is the highest I've ever seen it. This is our creek. Over there's a gazebo. They're doing some work back here, which they've moved a bunch of stuff, but I've never seen it this high before. The new dock is underwater, and so is a lot of equipment. All the wood's drifted away. The ramp is totally underwater. This is the fire pit area. The water's up to the fire pit. John's property is totally underwater as well. There goes an otter swimming in the water. They love that stuff. Don't know where he's going. Anyway, don't know how much rain fell, but again, totally swamped. More water than I've seen before. John's frontage is totally covered as well. Cynthia took some drone footage earlier. Showed exactly where the wall line was. So, don't know if a taller wall would have helped at all. We have to clean that dam out. Have to clean the dam. All right. That's all I gotta say.